Okay.
Walking up to there. Okay. How's it gone?
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
Yeah.
Every single day I could feel I was getting stronger.
Yeah.
You know, one day I couldn't put weight on the leg, the next day I could. Every day I could feel it getting better and better. I've hardly had any pain.
No, you went home after a couple of days. Pain's been okay?
I really haven't had much pain. I've had a bit of
wow.
discomfort.
Wow.
The stockings were the worst bit.
You're not taking any strong painkillers or
No,
anything?
no.
Do you feel the recovery has been different in terms of pain?
I think it's quicker,
quicker.
but I can't entirely remember, but I think it's a lot quicker.
A lot quicker. The pain is less, or you?
I
remember?
can't honestly remember.
No, but you've done well, yeah.
Incredible.
Has the arthritic pain gone?
Oh yes, that went instantly.
Instantly?
Yeah.
How bad was that for you? What sort of...
It depended if I'd walked a lot or not.
So
If I hadn't walked too much, it wasn't too bad. But if I walked any distance, then it was quite bad.
You were struggling before you came in.
Yeah.
Well, you've done incredible, Shirley.
Thank you.
How did you get to see me? Did you? Because you're from Hereford.
A lady, I was chatting to. She was on crutches, and I said, "Who would you recommend?" And she said, "You."
Oh wow! In Hereford.
In Bromyard.
Bromyard. Okay. Had she had surgery? Had she?
I think so. Yes. She said,
Oh,
"Oh,
wow.
everyone goes to Mr. Aslan."
Oh wow! 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 Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing.